Patel. Happy Father's Day. Father's Day to Grandpa and Papa and all online dads. Today I am going to read a European folk tale. Chicken Licken. Level 2. One day, a nut fell on Chicken Licken. Ouch! The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I must tell the king. It wasn't the sky, it was the nut of the tree. On the way, he met Henny Penny, a friendly name. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I am going to tell the king. But where you will find the king? To the castle. I'll come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king. Look, a board is written so that they can know that is the castle. Look, the eggs are hatching now. It will hatch. When she will die, it will hatch. On the way, they met Kokuluku. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I am going to tell the king. So he also listened and go for them. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Woo! I'll come too, said Cock-a-doodle-doo. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Ducky Lucky. Friendly name also, Ducky Lucky. No name is there in India. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I am going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Ducky Lucky. And off they went to find the king. Look, the fox is looking. He will eat the Chicken Licken and the other friends. On the way, they met Ducky Lucky. It's a bad name, but I don't like it. It's an animation things. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I am going to tell the king about the sky. If this turn, so we don't know the castle, but we can see the castle. There. I'll come too, said Ducky Lucky. And off they went to find the king. Stunian, watch out! Watch out! On the way, they met Goosey Lucy. Lucy, this could be me too. The sky is falling down, said Chicken Licken. I am going to tell the king about the sky. I'll come too, said Goosey Lucy. And off they went to find the king. Look, a house has a fan around. And like this. Oh no, watch out for the fox. On the way, they met a Foxy Loxy. Loxy, it is a log. The sky is falling down. They said, we are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Loxy. Follow me. Not a second, they will eat